have here the Aster 18-piece ceramic pot and pan set. Showed up feeling way more serious and legit than I expected. And yes, there are dog paws on the handles. Very tastefully done, not gimmicky whatsoever. What I like the ceramic non-stick. The eggs are going to slide right off. The pans and pots themselves are very lightweight, but they're not flimsy. And the extras are very thoughtful. The pans stack nicely. There are pan protectors. Also, the utensils are very good silicone, very nicely made. There is a screwdriver, which is very thoughtful, so you're not hunting one down. The extras were very nice. Why this set stands out to me. These are genuinely non-toxic, which means if you cook a lot and you don't want mystery in your food, no chemicals. No chemicals, like it. The piece selection makes sense to me. Every piece is thoughtful and really does not feel random at all, There is assembly required. You have to assemble the handles and the top of the lids, but it comes with the screws, no problem whatsoever. Just screw that in. My husband will handle all of that job. Short version, this set is super cute. I'm confident that you're going to take this seriously, even with the dog paws. And I don't say that lightly. I like this set a lot. The opinions in this review are mine, but the product was provided by the brand.